Welcome to 2 Priory Farm cottages, situated in the delightful village of Priors Marston. This charming 3-bedroom cottage is sat right at the end of an idyllic lane, with views over protected countryside. Follow me and we'll take a quick look around.